Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Junior on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a forensics CTF challenge from Crate-CTF 2023. The challenge is called Färgteori, which is Swedish for color theory. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. As already mentioned, the challenge is within the forensics area. The task is to analyze a PowerPoint presentation about color theory in order to find the flag. You'll find the link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. I've opened the PowerPoint presentation in LibreOffice Impress. And we see here that we have 7 different slides. The final slide says hex to flag. So I'm guessing we have to find some hex codes. And we see that we have different background colors on the right-hand side of each slide. So we can start by analyzing those. So I select it and then I go on colors, custom color, and here we can find the hex code. So I'm going to put this in a text document. Let's go through this slide by slide. So here we have all the hex codes. Let's try and analyze these with CyberChef. We'll use from hex, since that was the clue that we were given in the presentation. And here we have our flag, Crate-CTF Färgglad. So we solved the challenge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.